Sanjoy,
Hmm.
are we going tomorrow?
Where, Papa?
Arey, it's 2nd of June for lunch.
Border is closed.
Oh, we have to go to Sharupa's house.
No, she's saying that the border is closed. She can't do anything. She's got oldies.
But it's Sharupa's birthday tomorrow.
So what to do?
So we have to go and say happy birthday.
No, we don't have to, and she doesn't want to. And anyway, how old is she?
You should know she's younger than you are. Right?
No, yeah, she's older than me. She used to be younger than me when we joined. When she joined. When she came in her cycle, she was younger because she was wearing shorts. Now she's older.
Okay, so she's 40 now? You're 32, so she's 40.
No, I think now she's caught up with you. She's in her 50s.
50? Who's 50?
Sharupa!
Sharupa's 50?
Yeah.
No, when did that happen?
Yeah,
Oh
buddy.
no.
Look at the grey.
No! Shoppy, you're always going to be that young child who wanted to constantly take my sons to Apughar with Dilip. And I wonder whether you wanted to go on the rides or you wanted to take them on the rides. And so I just want to tell you that
Happy birthday.
happy birthday, but keep that inner child in
I have
you.
a Zoom meeting. Okay, bye.
Arey, keep that inner child in you, Shoppy. Keep it growing and glowing. And I just want to say, love you very much. And before I go, I want to just say, I love this expression of yours. Have a wonderful decade,
Hi
darling.
Sharupa, many happy returns of the day. You've been a wonderful person and had fantastic rocking 50 years, and I hope the coming 50 years are also equally splendid and you have a wonderful, happy and a glorious life.
Hey Kadlu, happy 50th. Enjoy as much as you can in these weird times. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, Sharupa Masi. Hope you have a great day and an amazing year. I wish we were all together to celebrate, but hopefully next year. Lots of love from you, Apple Pip.
My beautiful Sharupa, happy birthday. You're turning 50. I'm also turning 50 in 2 months. We're part of the same club. We shared so many adventures all over the world, crisis and ordeals, but also laughter and fun in such a wonderful journey. I wish you lots of love and joy and laughter and celebration in your life. And I'm so grateful you're part of my life. Lots of love. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sharupa. I can't believe that you've turned 50 and that too in the middle of a pandemic. Very dramatic. I just want to tell you, and I think this should be a bit mushy, that I love you a lot. You're one of my oldest work friends, if I'm not wrong. You're the first friend I made when I started working. In fact, my career is as long as our friendship is. You are cracked, but you're also a very loving, affectionate, and a huge support in any sense of the word. I know I can reach out to you anytime for anything. Love you. Have a good day.
Happy birthday, Sharupa Masi. Hope you're doing well and have a great day, even though there's a pandemic right now. And lots of love from here in Chicago.
We have to make something for Sharupa's 50th birthday, by the way.
She's not 50.
What do you mean she's not 50?
She's not 50. She's like 30 or something. How is she 50? Just like a few years ago only she's supposed to be taking us to Apughar.
You're 33. It's not a few years ago. It's 20 years ago she's supposed to take us to Apughar.
She hasn't taken us to Apughar for 20 years.
Well, yeah. Like, when was she supposed to take us? When did she first say? And you were like 5. No?
I don't think we should be wishing a happy birthday at her.
It's okay. She has a long way to go, so I'm sure she'll take us to Apughar when you are back.
I don't think Apughar is going to be around any longer. I think it's a great place for the virus to happen.
For the what?
The coronavirus. That's what's happening around her birthday, no? That's why we all can't, that's why I act like we can't be there. Everybody can't be there.
Yeah. Anyway, happy birthday, Sharupa.
Good guy, man. Please, like, okay.
Hey, sure.
Oh yeah, sorry. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I still want to go to Apughar.
Or when we, maybe another theme park somewhere else in the world. A nice
Yeah, with a roller coaster. And less Indian pea. or any pee?
Yeah, no peeing is nice.
No urine.
Okay, happy 50th. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye. Wait.
No?
Wait, 1 second, it's not done.
हाँ भाई चुट्स गॉसिप क्या है पार्क चले should we go to the park happy birthday Sharupa have a super day and a fabulous year lots of love big hug big kiss
Hi Baba. You know, initially when I was like, let's record this video, I was like, let's do some nice melodrama, some overacting the way you do. But then I'm like, nahi yaar, it's your birthday, it's your day, so why should I be counting all the footage? So here I am to wish you, to thank you for being a part of my life, for being one of the best human beings I have ever known. You know, the best quality you have is you are a giver. You have just given all your love, your energy, your warmth to your family, to your colleagues, to your friends. And kabhi nahi socha that, you know, what will I get in return? You know, you have always just been a giver. Except once when, you know, you and Sanjay played with my emotions 18 years ago and did not cast me in the play initially, Ye Hai Mumbai Meri Jaan. But I forgive you for that. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your life. You're the best, yaar. Love you a lot and see you soon. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shaw. Oops, Pishi. I think we both really love the sound of Pishi. And this is your special day. I'm sending you loads and loads of love. I can bet that when you met me as a child, you did not know that I come with so much drama. But thank you for being so patient, so loving, so caring, and being an amazing listener. I really am so grateful that I have you in my life. Happy birthday. Have a brilliant year. And seeing you the other day was like a breath of fresh air, and I hope to see you really soon and go on that beer date that's pending for a really long time. Happy birthday.
My goodness me, Sharupa Datta, 50 is karke too young. Not Kavla, but more mature, priceless, spicy, more beautiful. My friend, my dearest friend, it's the time of your life to experiment, chill, have fun, do whatever you want to do. You are on top of the hill. You don't need to climb the hill anymore. Dance, do pubbing, whatever you wish for. My all the very best wishes for you forever and always. Flaunt your wrinkles, show your grace. It's okay. 50 is the new normal. Lots and lots of love, lots and lots of hug. All the very best of health and best wishes always. Love you, love you, love you. Bestest 50, sweetie.
Hi Sharupa, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. I think we've known each other for a really long time, even before teamwork, when we used to go on trips to Shimla or come and pick up mom. Working with you, I mean, my first experience was Bollywood, and I think I learned a lot from you about which markets, what kind of costumes should they be wearing, where to source material from. It was crazy, but it was great. And now to working together on so many projects, traveling together, gossiping together. I think you have played a major role in both our lives, personally and professionally. It doesn't feel like you're 50, you don't look 50 at all. So just be the way you are, generous and emotional. And yes, wish you all the best for all your ventures in the future.
Hello, hi Sharupa, happy birthday. I think that we've worked for I don't know, 10 years. I still remember the day when we met for the first time, and I don't know if you remember, but you were the one who actually interviewed me when I joined Teamwork, and I just jumped in and said I've spoken to Sanjay and I want to work, and he said, yeah, please come on and work. And Bollywood Love Story was my first project with you guys, and I don't think any of you would remember. But you know, the first job I had was Sharupa telling me which hair bands to buy. So from there to now working with her, it's been a fabulous journey. I consider her as my mentor, Agni aunt, one I couldn't go and talk to any time, and have spoken a lot about my relationship. So yeah, I mean, you have been a strong pillar for me. So thank you for being part of our life, and happy birthday to you. Thank you so much.
Sharupa, My best pal, my buddy. Happy 50th to you. How much I wanted to be there for this day, but grander plans await us. Wait and watch. Enjoy your day to the fullest with your family and friends that you have around you. But wait for that day when the rest of your family and all your friends get together to have this big bash to celebrate your big day. Have a glorious and a happy life, my dear. Chill a little more, work a little less, and drink as much as you want to. And wait for that day when we are back again together to be in partners in crime. Yeah?
Hi, Kadlu. A very, very, very happy landmark birthday. You hit your big 5. Gosh, I don't remember when mine. Anyway, very sorry we won't be there with you on that day. But we'll have a delayed celebration later. Hopefully soon. Maybe in July, August. Let's see. Anyway, you have a wonderful day. Till then. And see you soon. Lots of love.
Birthday Kadlu, wishing you all the best and welcome to the Golden Club. Hope your entry and life in this club is pain-free, stress-free, illness-free and generally joyous and cool. Lots of love from Dia.
A birthday song for your golden birthday. S is for the strength you hold inside you. H for your heart of gold. A for astronomical generosity. R for rampant gentleness. U for the understanding you have for everyone's problem. B for the magnified genius you throw. And A we've already covered. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! And now I think we do cut it.
Happy birthday, Kadlu. You're beautiful. Your infectious humor, your laughter give me the feeling that there will always be something to be joyous about. I wish that you're forever wrapped in celebration. I cherish our years together and I hope to walk beside you till the very end. I love you. And feel very lucky to have you in my life.
Happy birthday, Sharupa. Thank you for always being an inspiration and a great example of a team player. You have been my pillar of support and I can't thank you enough. I miss you, but I'm so glad we have such wonderful memories, starting from Edinburgh where we laughed so hard and lost our way home, to the car journeys back, to sharing a chilled beer. Please have one on my behalf today, and so many more. Lots of love. See you soon. Oh, visit Cal soon. Bye.
Shappi, I can't believe it's been 30 years since I've known you. You're still the same warm, wonderful, completely batty person who cycled up to the teamwork office many, many moons ago. Lots and lots of love on your 50th. I love you. You're a sweetheart.
Happy 50th, Choppy Masi. We love you. Have a great day in here.
Shoppy, happy birthday. I mean, I didn't know how to do this. I have bad hair and stuff like that. But then I just remembered you're the only happy, confident soul who can direct the world's largest festival with clunky, comfy shoes. You're just the most beautiful soul I know. Thank you for being a part of my life.
Hi Sarupa, how are you? Wishing you a very, very happy birthday on your 50th. Happy birthday. So please try to enjoy and give some more time for your family. Enjoy yourself, and we all of us we wish you a very, very happy birthday on this occasion. Thank you. And Debraj this side. और आप तो हमारा क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर, क्रिएटिव ऑल इन ऑल टीम वर्क का हो, इतना बढ़िया नॉलेजेस. यू आर सच ए जेम ऑफ ए पर्सन, and we must appreciate all your qualities. and it's really good working with you always.
Happy birthday, Sharupa. For me, you are a Powerpuff Girl. You are sugar and spice and everything nice. You know, you may be turning 50, but you have the ability to morph into any age depending on who you're interacting with, and that is a real superpower. You are one of a kind, you're wonderful, you are such a great friend. We are lucky to have you in our lives, and I only hope for the best for you. We love you, and you have a great birthday, and we shall celebrate in a big way next year. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sharups. I know everybody is going to wish the best for you. I do too. But I also wish for you the peace and the quiet joy you've been looking for. I want you to really explore your creativity, your expression, and channelize it as beautifully as I know you can. So have a lovely year full of creativity.
Sharupa, now looking more like Manthara of Ramayana serial. Happy birthday. No, happiest birthdays from now on as you step into the brave new world. From now on, each year may be happier than the last year. And as we are selfish human beings, इतना कुछ बोला है तो कुछ return में भी चाहिए. Therefore, we wish that your love, warm gratitude towards your friends, colleagues, and family be quadruple with each passing year. Best wishes, Sharupa. All the best.
Shapi, really wanted to do a big drama for your birthday, but don't know how. This corona, oh my god, why this is here? But you know, when this corona will go away, we'll have a big party. But for the time being, a very happy birthday to you. You are really such a wonderful soul. I have actually never seen you stressed, even if you're stressed, but you have a way of expressing it, and you really make the people around you kind of happy, and everybody takes the stress so very well. With you being around, you are really a powerhouse always and ever. I know you now for 20 years, but girl, you are something. I've always loved the car rides with you, you know, all the dialogue that you have with the people who are actually outside on the road, but you talk to them as if they are there in front of you, and it's really a joyride. So you're 50, but never mind. At 50, we start fresh, and you have many more years to go. The joyride starts now. So have fun, have glorious time, and have a lovely time with your family. Once again, a big hug and a very happy birthday. Love you, Shapi. Stay the way you are. Love you.
50, huh, Shapi? Life gets really easy from now on. It's downhill all the way. Actually, it's great fun. I think every year as I add one more to my number, life becomes more and more fun, more fulfilling. I think you also get a better sense of who you are, what brings you joy, what you don't want to waste your time on. You just become more and more yourself. So here's to becoming more and more of yourself and having a wonderful next 50 years.
Shapi, now that you're 50, we can finally declare Sanjoy 40. Wish you a great 50th. Have a great time. And you're one of the nicest people we all know. Much love and a big hug.
Happy birthday, Sharupa. I love you. I wish you nothing but the best. You are the most deserving person. You have been a wonderful friend, a great mentor since the moment I met you, and whenever required, you just bring so much joy into every situation and so much love. And I hope you have a great birthday and hope we can celebrate in person when all this is over.
Ooh.
Happy birthday, Sharupa. It's not just you who look forward to your birthday each year, it's all of us together. You know that how much fun we have together on your birthday each year. We celebrate it together and we always look forward to it. And of course, today is your 50th, so it's very, very special. I know that you wanted all of us to go out of Delhi somewhere and celebrate your 50th, but never mind. As soon as we get into a new normal and we are able to travel, we should do that and we should celebrate your birthday somewhere. So lots and lots of love to you, Sharupa. Take care of yourself. God bless you and a very, very special happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sharupa. It's been an awesome journey. It's been 25 years in teamwork, therefore 25 years with you. It's had its ups and downs. We've fought and argued and loved and lived, and I hope to continue to do that. You've given me a lot, and I hope I can continue to do that for you as well. I wish you many, many more years of joy, and happy birthday once again.
Hey Shops, happy 50th. Have a wonderful, wonderful year. I was just remembering that ever since I got into this large teamwork family, and we used to not see you and used to be on these tours, and when you used to come back, and the first thing when we used to meet, you used to ask, what's goss? But what was really nice that it was not just the goss that you were interested in, but you were concerned about how we all were doing and you wanted to catch up. And that's something really special, and I really cherish the special friendship we've had over these years, and wanted to just say that be happy and keep doing the great stuff you keep doing, and keep smiling. Happy birthday, happy 50th, and welcome to the League of the 50s, which is a wonderful league to be in. Lots of love. Take care.
Oh, I miss you a lot. And here's my gift for you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Now I'm going to sing. I am going to play a piano piece for you. For the moment, it's going to be a gift. That's my gift. Have a nice day.
हैप्पी बर्थडे स्वरूपा. जब ये कोरोना वायरस ठीक हो जाए मैं आपके लिए आइसक्रीम और अपना केक लेके आऊंगी. बाय.